Happy day children, this is part 2 video of class 7 science chapter 14 electric circuit and its effect. Now we are going to study the heating effect of electric current. So when an electric current passes through the wire gets heated up. So this effect we'll call it as heating effect of electric current. So production of heat in an electric device due to the flow of electric current called heating effect of electric current. We have seen an electric heater used for cooking, an electric bulb or room heater. So when these appliances are switched on after connecting to the electric supply, then their elements become red hot and it will release the heat. So this happens because due to the heating effect of electric current. The heat that is produced in the wire depends upon many factors: material of the wire, the length of the wire, thickness of the wire. So the degree to which the material opposes the passage of current through itself, we call it as resistance. So actually when an electric current passes through a high resistance wire, the electric energy gets converted into heat energy, and this only will heat up the fire. So all these elements produce a high amount of heat when electricity passes through them. However, this amount can change depending on the requirements of the device. This is so because it contains a coil of wire. That coil of wire only we call it as element, and this depends on material, length and thickness of the wire. So you can see here many appliances work on the heating effect of current. Example: electric heater, electric iron, electric stove, geysers, electric coffee maker, toasters, hair dryer, etc. So all these elements produce a high amount of heat when electricity passes through them. So depending upon the amount of heat required, such appliances, different types, sizes and length of wire are used in them. So how the production of light in a bulb due to the heating effect of electric current. So this is the glowing filament of electric bulb in the picture. So the filament of bulb is a coiled wire that gets hot when electricity is passed through it. So this makes the filament glow. As a result, the light is produced from the bulb. Then we are going to see what is an electric fuse. So an electric fuse is a device that is used to prevent the damage that can be caused by the excess of electric current. So according to the heating effect of that electric current, a wire can become hot so that the current will be flowing through it will be get heated. So however, an excess of current is passed through it so that the wire can melt or sometimes break, and sometimes it can causes fire also. So this electric fuse, which consists of a wire which is made up of a metal or an alloy which has a low melting point. So as a result, the wire breaks down easily as the high current passes through it. So actually this safety device consists of a short length of a wire of tin plated copper having a low melting point, and this wire has much greater resistance than the rest of the wiring in the house. So due to this, if the current in the electric wire suddenly increases too much, then the fuse wire gets heated, it melts and breaks the circuit, which means the current flowing in the household circuit will stop. So this prevents fire in the house and also damage of electrical appliances like refrigerator, fans, tube lights, TV, washing machines, etc. So when a fuse gets blown or break, a new fuse has to be fitted in its place, so in order to get the electricity for the household requirement. So this is the fuse which is used in buildings, and this is the fuse which is used in electrical appliances. So different types of fuses are used for different devices, and some are also available for houses as well. Next we will see the cause of large current flow in household electric wiring. So an extremely large current can flow in household electric wiring circuits under two circumstances, that is overloading and short circuit. So overloading is nothing but when too many electrical appliances are connected to a single socket, then it can lead to overload. Short circuit, an electric current is supplied by a household through two insulated wires which run together and each and every electrical appliances. So one insulated wire is called live wire and other insulated wire is called neutral wire. So both this wire has to necessary for the working of an electric appliances. For example, in electric iron. So short circuit occurs. So the cause of large current flow in household is due to overloading and short circuit. In next part 3 video, we will see the compact fluorescent lamp, that is CFL lamp. Thank you.